Hello, this is my hotel room in Seminyak in Bali in Indonesia. I hope I said that correctly. So from the door on the left here, we have a bathroom with a separate shower stall. Very fancy. Of course, have the toilet and hello, a little sink here with amenities. Fantastic. Translate that later. Okay, hello. So we have a tall mirror, some hangers, and then facing into the bed area. So we have a suitcase luggage thing, you know, put your stuff there. We have a double bed with one side table there, and then another kind of longer table over here. Some nice little decorations, I guess, or design, I don't know. It has a TV, air conditioning, which is already turned on. You might be hearing it, but it was turned on when I got here. Some water, fancy looking water. I hope this is included in my in my room. I don't know if they're going to charge for that. Let's see. Oh, and then it's got a bottle opener right there because they're. Oh, my room is ringing.